If you want to make money from home, then I recommend you watch this video till the end, because I'm going to show you some easy ways to make money online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make at least $100 a day with Fiverr. You probably won't get rich overnight off these methods, but it's a great way to make extra money when you're working from home. As always, please like this video as it helps more people discover it, and subscribe to the channel or you'll get 5 years bad luck. First of all, if you don't know what Fiverr is, it's a freelancing website, but it's slightly different to the usual one because you buy gigs or micro jobs. You can offer anything from articles to holding up signs and everything in between. Initially you had to charge $5 for your gig, but now you can charge a lot more. So the first method is voiceovers. If you have a nice sounding voice, then this one's for you. There's so many things you can offer a voiceover for, such as narrations, commercials, videos, intros and audiobooks. Voiceovers are one of the most popular gigs on Fiverr as well. This woman from the UK charges $10 per 100 words for a voiceover. She's got over 23,000 reviews. Let's just assume that each person makes a $10 order. So she makes 2 goes into 5 plus 7. She's making $230,000, and that's not including any gig extras either, so it's probably more. And this is just from one gig. All you need to start this gig is a microphone and recording software. Audacity is a free recording software that you can download that records your audio for you. The second method is designing logos. Every new business needs a logo as it's part of their identity and branding. And don't worry if you're not a graphic designer or you've never designed a logo before. You can make good money from this. You can use free logo designers like Logo Garden or Logo Type Maker. And then to make the social media banners and cover photos, you can use Canva. I'll just give you a quick example on how much you could earn. Mr. Transcendence has over 4,800 reviews on Fiverr. Assuming people that order his gig order his basic gig package, which is $35, so 35 times by 4,800 is $168,000. And that's not including any gig extras, and it's not taking into account the number of people ordering higher gig packages. The final gig is selling ebooks and courses. Fiverr is also a place for you to sell digital and information products. Although it's not as lucrative as the first two methods I gave you, it requires a lot less work and is more passive. There's 2 ways you can get started with this. You can either write your own ebook on something you are knowledgeable about, which it can take longer, or you can download and sell ebooks with PLR. PLR stands for Private Label Rights and just means you are eligible to sell the book and keep the profits. 2 websites you can use to download free ebooks are indigitalworks.com and Project Gutenberg. You can even sell some of the ebooks as bundles to make it more valuable. That was 3 ways to make $100 a day with Fiverr. They will require you to work hard and be consistent and get some reviews together. Once you've done that, you'll be making over $100 a day. If you stay at home, these are some great ways to make more money. Do you use any of these ways to make money online? If you enjoyed this video, please like it and consider subscribing to the channel for more videos on social media and business.